Hey y'all, Backwoods Modeler here. Working on this tow rig or welding rig truck, and I've got it cut down so far. This was, I don't know if any of you follow any of my videos, but this was a tow truck at one point, and obviously I used a tow bed on something, I couldn't tell you what. So I had the cab left over. I got this new welding rig bed, and it came with some other stuff, and I wanted to use it on this truck. And even though this was a little bit shorter of a truck with the welding rig on, or the tow bed on it, I still had to hack it down a little bit to make this fit. So that's where we're at right now. I've got it down to where the bed's going to fit on here now. All I have to do is start putting this back together so I can finish it. I'm using these slots here as just to help me mock up where the tires are going to be, so that I could cut the chassis on this truck and make her fit. So obviously I don't have it in the exact place, but that's what we're looking for. That's our seam. We're going to glue this all back together, and you should barely be able to tell that I cut it. So I'm working on that. I'm going to have to put a couple shims in there so that the tires are not rubbing on the bottom of our bed. So that'll actually be jacked up just a little bit where you can see it. I'll jack that up just a little bit so that it's not rubbing on the frame. So we got a little bit of shimming to do and some gluing to do, and then we'll be putting this thing back together. I am going to put dualies on here. I'm 90% positive I'm going to use M2s. I just picked up a Blazer the other day that came with 2 sets of M2 wheels and tires, and a couple sets of rims and engine. And I even got another screwdriver. I've had this Blazer before. I don't remember him coming with a black car lift with the silver Chevrolet emblem on there. I really like that. I'm probably going to keep this one. But the Blazer, I'm probably going to steal the grill and the front bumper, maybe the back bumper, for another different project. Then that Blazer will probably go in a box like the rest of them, even though it's a shame. It's a pretty Blazer. But it's getting hard to get these M2 wheels and tires, guys, so I got to go get them any way I can. All right. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, it's taken me a while, but I finally got her glued back together. Before we go any further, if it gets to howling, it's an awful windy day today, y'all, so can't help that. Anyway, got her glued together. It took me forever to get this thing together. Bottom, she doesn't look real pretty. We got to do some painting down there. I'm just waiting on glue to finally dry. She's a good roller. What else? Got to paint the tail lights on. Gonna put probably put a diesel exhaust tip on this baby somewhere, somehow. And then I got mirrors to replace the ones I stole from it whenever I stole them. I got a tow hitch to put on the back of it. What else we're gonna do? We're gonna do something else. Yeah, paint the tail lights. Yeah, paint the handles on the toolbox that are on there. And she'll just about be done. I think she came out good. I think she got a really sweet stance. I finally ordered one of those little turntable doohickeys, and the guy I ordered it from is dragging his feet in shipping it, and he's really starting to tick me off. Anyway, I got one coming. So let me get the rest of this finished, y'all, and I will show you the finished product, and I believe you're going to like it. Hold tight. All right, I got the mirrors on her. They're not glued in yet. I just got them pushed into place. I got the diesel exhaust tip on there. It's drying. I got the tail lights painted. We are moving along here really well. We're just about to finish this baby up. I was going to paint the handles on the toolboxes that are built into the bed. I was going to paint those aluminum, chrome, whatever. I decided, nah, just leave it all blacked out. I think it looks a little better that way. But anyway, y'all, what do y'all think of this truck? This thing is really turning out pretty sweet, I think. She's a little bit short, but I still think it looks pretty good. So I got to do a little bit more detail painting and touching up. I got the bottom painted. I just got to paint the tailpipe and everything in. Did pretty good there. You can barely even tell where the seam is. And she'll just about be done. I did the touch-up painting on the toolbox that goes in there to get rid of the excess silver that ran on me. So I got rid of that. So that's all nice and dandy now. And I'm still considering painting this bottle again because, like I said, I got black paint on it and I'm not really... One minute I like it, the next minute I don't. The green one's nice and clean. So, I don't know. We'll see. But that's about it, guys. I'll be back with the finished product. Alright, y'all. I believe she's about as done as she's going to get. And I'm pretty happy with it. I think this thing turned out pretty nice. Cannot wait till I get my turntable in. Welder, tanks, toolbox, they're on there. I did not glue them. They're just sitting on there right now. See, I got a tow hitch on there. Got the tail lights painted. Got the exhaust on there. Got the mirrors back on. And she's looking pretty sweet. What do y'all think of that beauty? I think the blue truck and the blue toolbox and the welder, I think those match pretty good. I think that was a good idea going with the blue. What do y'all think? Should I have stayed with the black, or do y'all think the blue looks good too? So, anyway, y'all, that is my video for today. Hope y'all like this one. If you do, think about liking, subscribing. Check me out on Instagram. Check me out on eBay. All that information is in the link below, or the links are in the description below. How about that way? Y'all have a good day. Don't forget to come back. Bye now.